Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to make a wireless switch. Well, the parts we need, their names will be displayed for you. The connection schematic will be displayed for you. In addition, I put the required files for you. Connect the module to the laptop or computer and open the code file. According to the video, a few lines below, you must enter the Wi-Fi name and password correctly. After that, select the board and connection port and upload the code. And now let's go for the test note that the phone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi that you selected and defined for the board. Thank you for watching the video so far. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because you give me energy by doing this and introduce me to your friends. Bye until another video.